Hi Sam. Came to hear that you have honored by your dad office. Is that so?
Yes, Rachel. ATOS honors their employees' children who are commendable performance in education, performing arts, creative arts and sports.
In which sector your dad is working?
He is working in NS&I Operation Chennai.
Seems like recognizing individual on their commendable performance is ATO's biggest strength.
Rachel, not only just recognizing is their biggest strength. There are several other stuff they do excellently. If you hear, you will be amazed.
Really? Then please share their strengths.
Sure. In NS&I Chennai operations their strength are commitment, excellent skill set, great place to work, certifications, cost effective, 18 hours service delivery.
Created using Powtoon.